Okay, well, this is going to be part 3 of my garage build. These guys are going to have the framing done today. And I've been away, so I haven't been able to do much play-by-play, but I do have a little bit of footage that you can watch right now. So like I mentioned, I've been away, and in the last few days we've gotten over 66 centimeters of snow, which is basically almost 2.5 feet, and everything is absolutely buried. This is my driveway. That's my Civic over there. This is the entryway to my garage. My beloved Mercury. It looks like one of them cyber trucks. Absolutely ridiculous. We haven't had snow like this in a long, long time. Yeah, friggin' car is weighted down. Insanity. I do own a snowplow. Of course, it's buried, so I'm gonna nibble away with the scoop and try to get the snowplow out. And of course, it's not that cold today, so the snow is almost like cement. So I don't even think the snowblower could go through this. Anyway, part 3 of the garage build. Framing will be done. I'll get a little bit of footage inside in a bit. It's looking good. Okay, well, I got my plow out of the way. I got the plow on the truck. I'll do a little bit of plowing later once these guys are gone. Let's just have a quick peek. Quick peek at my 4-car garage. Again, framing will be done today. This is a 48 by 24, so essentially 2 standard doubles joined together. And I went with the 10-foot walls to give me that extra height, because height always gives you the illusion of more space. So there we have it. There's a big micro laminated beam. 2 of them for the 2 16-foot doors that'll be here. Man door window, 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 and man door. Now I also went with, to give myself the illusion of height, because we had toyed with the idea of doing a loft and all this and that, and it would have been nice to have more storage, but I need more storage down here, as in cars, snow blowers, wheelbarrows, you name it. Lugging stuff upstairs, yeah, it would be nice, but I've opted against that. And instead, what I did, I paid a little bit more, but I've ordered these scissor trusses. So this is going to be scissor trussed, so that essentially from the ground floor to the middle of the peak is a 12-foot, that's a 12-foot ceiling. So 10 foot on the outsides. I went with 2x4 construction. You save quite a bit doing the 2x4 construction, and it's perfectly legal. I think, how did it go? I think you could go as high as 10 in the codes in this area, but not 12. So this is my way of getting 12, plus it adds a little bit of interest. I think it's going to look really nice. Really happy so far. So now they just brought in the strapping, so everything will be strapped and tied down. And of course, again, we just had this massive, ridiculous blizzard like we haven't seen in 20 years. But anyway, of course that would happen now. So there's the building from the inside. They're going to finish trimming this off. Again, the strapping, they're going to trim off a little bit of the roof on the outside. And that'll be framing done. So I'm going to call this part 3. Not a very big series because I was away. But next phase of the project will be the doors, windows, of course the trim, roof, and siding. So that'll probably be part 4 for another time. Just got to maneuver around the snow here, even if I can. Where am I going? Okay, I'm not going that way. Dang. I don't even know if I can go this way. Alright, I'll put the camera down there. I'm going to have to climb over the plow to get over there. Poor old Civic, still buried. My Tesla Cybertruck. Yeah, unbelievable. But that's why I'm building the garage. So that will never happen again. So there you have it. My 4-bay garage. End of part 3. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.